Hello friends, in this video we are going to be looking into how to install the Playwright. So before moving to installation of the Playwright, there are two prerequisites the software you should install in your system. The first one is Node.js, the second one is VS Code. So already I have done this one. This two software how to install, that video already posted in NATASA Tech channel. That video link I will mention in this video description. Please take a look. So I'm going to be the next steps. There are two ways we have to install the Playwright. The first one is using VS Code extension. Another one is using npm command. The first step is you have to create a project folder. So here already I have created one folder which is Playwright test demo. Here you can find this folder is empty. I'm going to be open this working directory in VS Code. Open VS Code. Here you can find Playwright test demo. In this working directory only I'm going to be install the Playwright. Okay. So now open Chrome browser. You can search with Playwright. You will be get the official site of the Playwright, which is playwright.dev. Open this link. So here you can find the Node.js, right? Mouse over on this option. Here you can find different programming language. So in this video I'm going to be show you using Node.js. Okay, click on this Node.js. If you want to see any other programming language, click on which programming language you want. Okay, so now I'm going to be take a look Node.js. Click on Node.js. Here you can find get started button, right? Once you have to click on this get started button, this installation guide and all the Playwright documentation will be see in this page. Okay, the first one you can see the installation. Okay, scroll down here. So there are two ways already I told you, right? VS Code extension and using npm command. First we are going to be looking into npm command. Next I will tell you the VS Code extension. Okay, the first one is npm command, which is if you want to install the latest version of the Playwright, in that case use this command. If you want to install any specific version of the Playwright, you have to mention the Playwright version. Okay, now I'm going to be copy this command. Open VS Code. So here open terminal, new terminal. Here paste that command, press enter. The latest version going to be installed here. So here it will be ask you the basic question, which is do you want to use which scripting language, either TypeScript or JavaScript. I'm going to be use JavaScript. If you want to proceed with the TypeScript, you have to choose the TypeScript. I'm going to be choose JavaScript. You can see that underline you can see, and also the color also will be changed. So now I am going to be selected JavaScript. Press enter. Where you put your end-to-end test. So where you are going to be put the test. So under test folder I'm going to be keep my all the test keys. Press enter. So you want to be add GitHub action workflow. Right now not. So defaultly you can see false. If you want to add GitHub action, in that case press Y, which is yes, it will be proceed with the GitHub action. So right now I false. Press enter. Install the Playwright browser can be done manually via npx Playwright install. You can see the default is true, which means all the browsers going to be installed in your the project. Okay, now I'm going to be install all the browser. Okay, if you want to install any specific browser, then you can use that command. That will be covered later. Okay, now I can leave it as true. Press enter. So now you can see package.json and all the node modules has been updating one by one. So added 3 packages. You can see the config.js, spec.js, everything has been created. You can see the success one. Here you can find the success word, which means the Playwright has installed successfully. And also you can find the several command you should memorize when you are started working in the Playwright project. So now we are done this Playwright setup. Here you can see happy hacking, which means we are finally the setup has done. The first way we have completed, which is using npm command, how you can install the Playwright. That one we done, right? So next I'm going to be show you using the VS Code extension. So here open VS Code. Here you can find extensions. When you are mouse over the cursor, here you can see extension. Click on this extension. Here you can type as Playwright. Here you can see the Playwright test for VS Code. Open this one. Playwright test for VS Code. So I didn't install anything. Click on install. It's going to be install it here. Okay. Click on install. So if you want to see inside Playwright documentation, so here under installing the Playwright you can find VS Code extension, this one. Here this video will guide you how to install this VS Code. Okay, install the Playwright. So here open the command palette, go back to VS Code. Here click on view command palette, click on this one. Here you can type as install Playwright. Here you can find install Playwright, right? So you can find two different, which is install Playwright and install Playwright browser. You can go with the first option, which is install Playwright. Click on this one. Here you can find three different browser, and this option also has been checked, which is GitHub Action. So which one you want, you can check that one also. So remaining you can uncheck it. So here selected the 4 option. I'm going to be install only with Chromium. So remaining I'm going to be uncheck this one. Okay. If you want to install all the browser and as well as the GitHub Action, so the same what we have seen before while you are installing the Playwright using npm command, the same has been displayed the list while you are entering the install Playwright using VS Code extension. So if you want to see, I will show you again. See here you can see packages. Do you want to proceed which language, and N2 test GitHub Action, correct? The Playwright browser, the same you can see it here. View command palette, install Playwright, you can find it here, right? So now I'm going to be install only with Chromium. So I will show you once again here. Open playwright.config.js. Here you can find 3 different browser. If I select only one browser inside command palette, that time the remaining will be commented. Now click on view command palette, install Playwright. Here I'm going to be uncheck this WebKit. This also I'm going to be uncheck, which is GitHub Action. Now I'm going to be, I have selected only one option, which is Chromium browser. Click on OK. You can see get started writing the end-to-end test with Playwright, which is browser Chromium. Success. Now I have to close and again reopen. So this will be still I have seen enabled mode. I have seen another one config.ts has been generated. Click on this one. You can scroll down here. You can see. Now you can see only one browser I have seen. So while I'm installing using npm command, that time I installed with all the browser. That's the reason I have seen all the browser has enabled under my current project. So when I installed the browser, the specific browser using extension, that time you can see which browser I have selected. That browser only I have seen the enabled mode. So this is the difference. Now I have covered the 2 ways how you can install using npm command and how you can install using VS Code.